What's going on, family? Got a couple of quick questions. One, how is your student doing in math class during this pandemic? Are they hybrid? Are they face to face? Are they virtual? And how is that working? Be honest. Two, how can I, as a math teacher, help you, as the parent of a math scholar, make your scholar feel a lot more comfortable and a lot more competent and confident within math? How can I help you? What is your biggest issue? Leave your comments in the somewhere around. Hit that thumbs up. Let's work this thing out together. Peace. And we are back. What is up, family? So, yesterday, I asked a question. What are your scholars struggling with in math? Because we're in a pandemic. So I got a question from Crazy Kales 99, and her question, she has a fifth grader who was virtual last year, face to face this year, and they are struggling with multi-step problems. Fifth grade's a rough year. They start piling it on in fifth grade, trying to prepare them for middle school. Here's something I would say to the parents. If you cannot drive a stick shift car, a car with a manual transmission, give grace to your kids when they do multi-step problems. Mr. Jones, what you saying? I don't get it. Multi-step problems. Let's say you have one question, but in that question you have 3 steps. Okay? Those 3 steps are not going to be the same thing over and over. You may have to add, divide, and then multiply. Or you may have to subtract, then divide, then add. Those are 3 different directions that the kid's mind has to go. Those are 3, if you have a 3-step question, you have to see the question, process the question, and that's going to build anxiety within the student. I got to do all of this? Oh, okay. Then they have to know what to do and when to do it. That's a lot. So here's my approach. Back when TV was normal and you could watch a 30-minute program and it has commercials in between, I would say watch TV and during the commercials, do the work. Because what it does is it breaks it down for the student to not have as much emotion. When we see math, we automatically get in our feelings because we don't know it. Lack of information creates an increase in anxiety, but that's another video. So let the student relax. Don't make them do 5 problems all at once, because if you give them 5 problems and each problem has 3 steps, that's 15 problems essentially that they've had to do. That's a lot on their mind. The same way you would get frustrated going from first gear, having to clutch, go to second, and then come off the clutch and back onto the gas, you're switching gears back, and then you have to still be aware of your blind spots and all. It's a lot. Break it down. For homework, give them 2 questions. Let them do 1 question when they first get home, and then give them some time. And then give them another question a little later, maybe after dinner, right before they take a bath or something like that. Take their time. Encourage. If they find a mistake, don't say what they did wrong. Ask them, are you sure you got it right? What about step number 2? Don't tell them they got it wrong, because that's going to make them feel. Tell them, ask the question and let them figure it out. I hope this helps. Thank you. And let's make sure these kids get what they need. Hit me up if you need some more help. Peace.